Ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed a great honor and a privilege to welcome you to this memorial lecture as we gather celebrate the legacy of late Walter Parry.
We seek to honor those who were never recognized for their achievements, and there are plenty of them.
And so today we are actually rewriting history. It is a very important, poignant moment in the history of Stellenbosch.
Oh, it's wonderful to be here to get the acknowledgement after so many years that the man really did a lot for education.
This ripple effect that Walter Parry left affected me, and I only realized that tonight when it was put into that context.
This lecture, conceptualized by the Lückhoff alumni, is supported by the Lückhoff Living Museum think tank, focusing on memorialization of the lives of those who lived and engaged in and with the Vlakte.
Tonight has been a moving experience. I will tell you why. Because Lückhoff High School is my alma mater.
Many of you, especially our younger generation who's available here tonight on this audience, probably have never heard of Mr. Walter Parry. This gathering gives us a chance to put the matter straight. Who was this man? To my mind, he was a scientific genius. He was born in Hanover Street in District 6.
Want dit is by ons ingedring by meneer Parry. Jy moet jou werk ken, as jy daar staan, moet jy nie kom soek wat er lesse moet gedoen word nie. Jy moet kan praat soos hy. En dit het ek tot vandag toe ek was 39 jaar in die onderwys, tot ek vir 4 jaar vir die Universiteit van Stellenbosch gewerk het as 'n onderwyseres. En dit is my, en ek het by hierdie goed bywoon, en er word so baie vertel van wat meneer Parry gedoen het, toe kom al die herinneringe terug, en ek sien hom net soos hy in die klas kom, en sy stemmetjie, en sy kort stappie met die vinnige beentjies, het ek vir ons geleef, maar dit sal ek, hy sal altyd in my lewe bly, want dit is meneer Parry, daar is nog nooit so mense op in ons skool gewees nie, net meneer Parry, Walter Parry.
For him, the most important material in the world for him was the mind of a child, and that he really invested soundly. Cross-pollination of knowledge is very imperative. I can learn from you and you can learn from me, and together we can inspire something excellent for the scientific spectrum. Walter Parry have done that for University of Stellenbosch and also for UCT and also for the global world.
But it was very emotional for me to experience once again this wonderful, talented man's legacy, and we hope that the university will take this further and bring more glory and honor to his name.
And this evening for me, to have heard so much about him, being of a different generation, I just feel so good about my alma mater. And I, as a teacher also there for 37 years, I'm just hoping that what happened here this evening will inspire the generations to come, because that is what it's all about. Everybody that's passed on must be an inspiration, so that everybody can know that Lückhoff High is still the school it was back. It started in 1935.
Moral and ethical rectitude of transformation must never be open to question.
Walter Parry's story and what he could have contributed to South Africa, our country, must be unearthed.
It will be absolutely regrettable if we don't allow the legacies and the stories, Stan, of those that came before us to ignite, empower, excite and inspire all of us to make sure that in and for generations to come, we build and we continue and add on to the stories on the legacies. And that, I think, is what Walter Parry's story and what's been shared here this evening will continue to remind us.
Today we celebrate and commemorate the legacy of an amazing hero within our community in Stellenbosch. This university has truly become a community of inclusivity, where we welcome not only those who have grown up in Stellenbosch, but we are really truly opening up to the world to give our young people the opportunity to really become the best representation of themselves.